Well, how do you replace an old busted tub spout? These kind, or you could just twist them off, right? Alright, they screw onto the end there. This had some of the white sealant tape on there. I already peeled it off so that I can put new tape on there, screw a new one back on. This was the old caulking that I just took one of these scrapers to and worked around the edge. So get rid of that, and then I'm gonna scrape this area and use a razor too. All right, yeah, just to get it good, take a razor and go all the way around it. Then use some rubbing alcohol here to go around it, and take some of this blue plumbing tape and go around it clockwise. Get it on there, maybe 1 or 2 layers. And then once you got the tape on there, just kind of press it into the threads so that it stays in its spot. And then for this one, got a new tub spout. So just gonna screw that on there like that. So just screw it on there. Till it's level. There you go. Then clean up your mess out of the tub before testing it out. There you go, all cleaned up. I just throw it in one of these pet waste bags, good size, cheap enough. We'll test the spout out here. See if the shower works. Before, when you pulled up on this, the water would keep pouring out of here. Now it stops and only comes out of the shower. So that's good. Last thing I'm going to do is put some caulking around that part. And veteran maintenance man told me, don't get the tube, get the squeeze tube of this stuff. Put that on around there. I'll dry it off first. Of course, it's not that easy because I tested the water first and made sure the shower works before putting on caulking. But now the shower head is dripping and it's getting this whole area wet. So I gotta wait for this to get all dried off so I can put some caulking on here. All right, and I did hook this towel on here so that'll catch any extra drips still coming off the dang shower, hopefully. Or if it won't stop dripping, tie a plastic bag up around it. Maybe that'll keep the water from getting this wet more. I'll wipe it down with some more rubbing alcohol here, just to help dry it off. Make sure there's no water on there. All right, got some caulking on there. I gotta smooth it out. All right, and there it is. Got some caulking in there, sealing it up. And this stuff says it takes about 18 hours to dry, so hopefully this will get a good chance to dry here and hold up for a long time.